Before you start writing, take a few minutes to outline and draft what you need to say and decide in what order it needs to be presented. Let's take a look at organizing a business memo. Organize your memos so that readers can find information quickly and act promptly. There are 3 P's for success. Plan what you're going to say, polish your writing before you send it, and proofread everything. For memos, your message might be divided into 3 parts: introduction, discussion, and conclusion. The introduction of your memo should do the following: tell readers why you're writing to them about a problem, procedure, or other issue. Explain briefly any background information the reader needs to know. Be specific about what you're going to accomplish in your memo. In the discussion section, the body of your memo, help readers in these ways. State why a problem or procedure is important, who will be affected by it, and what caused it and why. Indicate why and what changes are necessary, and give precise dates, times, locations, and costs. In your conclusion, state specifically how you want the reader to respond to your memo. To get readers to act appropriately, you can do one or more of the following. Ask readers to call you if they have any questions. Request a reply by a specific date. Provide a list of recommendations that the readers are to support, approve, follow, revise, or reject. Throughout your memo, use the following organizational markers where appropriate. Headings organize your work and make information easy for readers to follow. Numbered or bulleted lists help readers see comparisons and contrast readily and thereby comprehend your ideas more quickly. Bold-facing emphasizes key points. To create a great memo, analyze your audience and their needs. Anticipate the types of information readers are expecting to receive from you and how they will use it.